Hello guys, how are you? I think you are all well. Today, in this chapter, I am telling about the our main tools in the AutoCAD in drafting and annotation workspace. So you see already I open drafting and annotation workspace. If you are not getting here, then you can check from here. See, drafting and annotation already open here now, and you can see the our panels, home, insert, annotation. Here this all are here. So today we learn about this draw panels. So many tools are here, also down many tools are here. Let's go start now. First, this is the line. Just you click once here, or shortcut is the L. Just click here and you can draw your line as you want. Like that you can draw this side, this side, this side, or this side. If you want to angular draw, then you off this ortho mode from here. Then you can draw in the angular anywhere you want, you can draw. Again you open the ortho, then it will be go straight in four sides. How to delete this line? You can just draw any object here, then you select it and delete, then it will be go. Otherwise you can use the shortcut command E, means erase, then enter. And one thing in the AutoCAD, from keyboard, space is working also same as the enter. So you can use enter or space as you like. You understood the line? We can draw like that line. Okay. And second tools are the polyline. Polyline means all vertex connected, like here, and we off the ortho mode, then this and this, like that, and line, if like that, like that, like that. Okay, so what is the difference in the line in polyline? If you collect the polyline once a place, then all the vertex are connected. And if you collect the select the line, then you see they all are the separate segments. This is the difference between the line and the polylines. So just I'm going to delete it. Next tool is circle. Circle, just you click the center of the circle where you want to draw. Just click, and as you want you can draw, or you can give to the radius of the circle as you like, then it will be draw. Okay, it is the circle. Move it, yes, or cancel it, E and enter. Okay. Another tool say arch. Arch you can draw in the type, you see many types, and as a circle you see the many types. So now I'm going to draw the arch. Just you click once place here, 3-point arch, and here, then it's draw here arch. Okay. Now just I'm going to again cancel it, delete it. Then come to here, then rectangle, anywhere you click, where you want, just click and scroll from mouse, the down, up, right, left, anywhere you can draw the rectangle. Okay. And here down to rectangle, this is the polygon. Polygon, just you click here, and it's asking the how many corners you want on the polygon. I'm going to write here 8, then enter. Then we click here and select to inscribed or the circumference as you want. Just select the inscribed, you see yellow. This is the polygon and have the 8 corner. So these things also we understood. Okay, then we go to here elliptical arch means it's look like a 3D. Just click once here, one, and here you can see here, and select it and a click again on this. See, this arch is looking like a vertical in the 3D model. Okay. Next, here you see this is the point. This is things all are same because we draw from the center. If you want to draw from the a corner of means the transit of the ellipse, then just you click here, and click here. It's complete now. And third one you can see here also like a arch. Just click here, and click here. Then enter it. Yes, you see this arch as you want you can draw it. So this tools also you understood. Now another thing is the hatch. Hatch and gradients and boundaries, the three things are here. So I'm telling about the hatch. Just to click once here and then come to here. Yes, see, and the panel are open here. How do you want this design, as you like, and here you can see the so many designs are here. As you like, you can use it. And after that we come again down to hatch and gradient. You come here and just see it's the gradients. Okay. Another things down you come, it's the boundary. If you don't have here boundary, you can make the boundary like a just click here and go to here inside the arch. Yes, you can see it's highlighted means it's boundary now, and enter it. So these tools three we can use like that. So mostly in the home draft, mostly in the draw panel, these tools are using mostly. And now you come to down this the small tools using somewhere. If we design a complete project, then we can do fast and we can use this all tools. So just I'm telling to small things about this. Okay, let's go start now. Now we go to all cancel from here, then come to down here. This is the one SP line. Yes, like a freehand you can draw it and enter. Next again you come to here, same the SP line, but CV means it will be connected vertex. Like I'm see a draw. You see we can see the connected points. Okay, then enter it. So what is the difference of the between the polyline and polyline CV? You select here and you select this also. You can see here we can't see the our points where this arch inside point or outside point we can't see here, and here we can see our point where we click and made the lines. This is the difference between these lines. Okay, now I'm going to again delete this. Then next it's the construction point line. Construction line means it's the throw lines. You want to select here horizontal, vertical, angular, and bisect and offset. So just click here. See, this is the line. Okay, it is the throwout line. Okay, escape. Both are those line is the throwout. If you want to come down, okay, you can zoom and zoom out, but it line you can't see the end. Okay, this is the line construction. Another thing, say, you come to here, then it is the rays. Ray means if you choose any point, this line start from there. Construction line is the throughout, and the ray is start from your selected point, but it will be also that direction throughout the far. Let's select. Okay, you can select anywhere. Yes. So this line throughout from this point, and the construction line throughout when click 2 times, then throughout. Okay. Next, you come to here points. Yes. See, this is the points. Where you want, you can draw your points. Okay. Another thing is, first I have to select it and erase all and draw a line, a straight line. Yes, this is the one line. Then these tools, see, divide. It will be divide our line. So it's asking you select the object. I'm going to select it here. Then it's asking enter the number of segments. How many numbers you want in the segments? I'm giving here 10. Just click. You see, it's divided in the 10 point numbers. You can see each all are the same. Okay. So this is the means of this divide line. And again I cancel it, then draw another one line. Yes. Then come to here again one tool. This tool is the measure tools. You see, just function. Just click once here. It's asking to select to measure object. We want to measure this line. Then just click here once. Then it's asking specify length of the segments, its segments. Here I'm again giving to 10, 100 length. Each segment length will be 100 mm. Then just enter. You see, it's every 100 already divided. Just undo. I'm showing you again, giving to big length, like select here and select here. Then I'm giving 2000 mm the length of each segment. You see now easily you can see it. Okay. So you can measure every point. Your line has already divided in the parts. So now I'm going to erase it also. Now next tool. You come here. It's a region. Region means just I select a rectangle. This is rectangle. Select here and go to in the property of this rectangular. So where is my property? It is the, yeah, this is the property panel. Now property panel has opened here. Okay. Now you see this is the polyline. If I am select here, you see it is the polyline. But you come here, then you select it here, region. Then it's asking select the object. I'm going to select it. Yes, then enter. Okay, now you select again here, then you see region. Okay, it will be used in the 3D model. Okay, so it's converted in the region, polyline to region. Just select and erase it. Next, here wipe out. You can see here the explaining, and you select. Yes, now I'm going to draw here. This is the polyline. Yes, you see, if we come here, we can't see, but we can select. You see, it's hide like a mask. This means as a mask. So I think you understood. If I'm going to again to that point and select here. Then I'm saying here the frame, then select here the on, then it will be show on. You can see now here. Okay, this is the means of these tools. Another tools here. This tool is a polyline 3D. 3D means X, Y and Z. We can give value here and just of this like and escape. So we can give the Z value also this line. So here you can see the 3D polyline. Okay, and here now Z value is the 0. We can give here like a 300 mm. Then it's up from the ground 300 mm. And there see the polyline. Then we select, okay. Then select here. It's polyline, and you select it here. This is the 3D polyline. This is the difference in the line, the polyline and 3D polylines. Just click once and erase it. Next tool, you see here, this helix. What is the means of helix? If you select once and second time, and see, you can make as you like, or you can make inside also, or you can make outside. This is the means of helix. I think you understood. Again you can see here, then you come inside. Yes, this is the helix. Very easy to draw. Okay. Next tools. These tools, donut. Just you click here. It's what's asking the diameter of donut. I'm giving here 2000. Okay. Then come to screen and click here and second point and center where you want to put this. I'm going to put it here. Yes. And then escape it. You see, this is the donut. You can see dot is here and around a mask. This is the donut. Just select and delete it. Third one things, you can make the polygon where the hatch is like that. You see? Yes, enter. Okay. You can draw like that. This especially be using to indicate some things then. Okay. So I think these all tools you have understood in the draw panels. Our next panel is the modify.